Hi, I am Sarah Alexander, and this is my Module 1 introduction video. A little bit about me and my family. I am from a small town in Kansas called Lewisburg. It is about 30 minutes south of Overland Park, and I just recently moved back here about 2 years ago with my husband. My husband's name is Brian. We have been married 8 years. We have a dog named Dexter. Also in Lewisburg is both Brian's family and my family. We have a very close family. I found a picture of Brian's family, but I was not able to find a picture of my family that was recent. We have 2 nieces who we love to spend a great deal of time with, and we also like to do a lot of traveling, both with family and with friends. I received my undergraduate degree from UMKC in sociology. During that time, I was working at Brookridge Day School as a preschool teacher, and that is where my love for education came from. And after graduating from UMKC, I decided that I wanted to pursue some sort of degree in education. So I have my master's degree in school counseling from Emporia State University. Right after graduating from Emporia, I was a school counselor in the Kansas City, Kansas public school system. I was there for 4 years as a school counselor. And then 2 years ago, I moved to the Blue Valley School District, which is a lot closer to home. Part of my experiences are very unique and different because I have had the chance to be in a high needs, low SES community such as KCK. I was in a Title I school where there were not a lot of resources, and now I am in Blue Valley where there are a lot more resources, but they are still limited. As a school counselor, currently I am at Heartland Elementary School. All of my counseling experiences have been at an elementary school, except for my internship, which was conducted at a middle school in Blue Valley. My school has approximately 400 students and about 20 classrooms. At my school, we offer 2 programs. We have interrelated resource and intensive resource. Interrelated resource is your general special education program for students with low to medium needs. And then the intensive resource is a special program that we offer. There are only a select number of schools that have intensive resource in our district. This is for more of those high needs. We have students with Down syndrome, autism, both physical and mental disabilities. And one of our biggest goals in my school is to allow students to be in the least restrictive environment, and then also including students in the educational process. We try as much as we can to get our students all into the classroom setting, unless they need that specialized one-on-one support. As far as my position, I am the 504 case manager, which I get to talk with families a lot about the difference between a 504 and an IEP. We make sure that we scaffold our learning. I do that during my classroom lessons in my school, and then also including all students. I really try hard to make sure that all students are able to be in the classroom when I am. And I'm also a part of our buildings SIT team, our student improvement team, where we are continually talking about differentiation and making sure all students' needs are being met. My plan to improve the school's practices would be to continue that professional development piece and improve the communication between IRR staff, that's our interrelated resource staff, and our general education staff. And we're really beefing that up right now as far as allowing those staff members to conduct PD to help us know what we can do, and on the gen ed side to help support those student needs. I would also want to encourage staff to try new things. I know sometimes we might be nervous about doing the wrong thing, but the important piece is to do what's best for kids, and that means that we might have some mistakes that are made, but we're trying our best and we continue to learn and continue to grow. As far as my practices, I would want to keep myself up to date. I know that in the world of special education, things are continually changing, and that's something that I would like to be on top of. And also increased communications. I need to feel comfortable to ask questions and reflect on my current practices and reflect on my learning. When it comes to funding, this is an area that I really lack knowledge related to federal funding and state funding and how that goes together with the special education world, and that's one of the many things that I'm really looking forward to in this course. So I look forward to working with all of you.